beards. Got this from Mondello. You're really good at that.
Maybe.
The oil I'm using. It just has a beveled edge on it. Okay, so I got my thrust washer kit installed for my camshaft. This is a 455 olds. Pretty much you just grind off this snout. They want it between about 5 and 10 thousandths. Take my straight edge. It's got a little bit of drag, and this is set at a 10 thousandths right now. So I'd probably call that good. I'll take it back apart. I can put my timing chain back on. I got soaking in oil right now. Put a little bit of thread locker on it. And then I'll be done with that. Then I can put on the timing chain cover and then hopefully my oil pan and get a harmonic balancer for it sometime soon.